Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial millennial YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to customize your Netflix profile. So on your Netflix profile you can customize the name, the image, and also the language shown on the profile. So I'm going to show you how. The first thing is you just need to go to your account menu by clicking this and then click on manage profiles and choose the profile that you want to change. For example, I want to change this one, and then you can change the name of your profile. For example, like that. And if you want to customize the image, you can click on this and you can choose icon based on your probably favorite character on Netflix series or movies. For example, I want to change it into this one, just like that. And also you can customize the audio and subtitle language in here. For example, you want to change it into Espanol. You can also change it into other languages provided by Netflix. Okay, and when you're done, you just can go back and the change has automatically been saved by the Netflix. Okay, it's so easy, right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.